Namaskar and good evening. Today we'll discuss about a small company called Everest Organics Limited, which has performed decently in the third quarter. Everest Organics Limited manufactures bulk drugs like omeprazole, ciprofloxacin, dichlorofluorobenzene, benzimidazole, etc. And it has its factory at a place called Sadasivpet in Medak district near Hyderabad, that is in Telangana. The managing director is Dr. S.K. Srihari Raju. He is also a doctor by profession. And the chairman is Mr. K. Ramakrishnam Raju. He is also an independent director and also chairman. The company's factory is situated in a total area of 32 acres and 23 acres of green belt, 9 acres covered under buildings and roads. The company says it has a very good service facility for the steam, for cooling and for power. The company says safety in this industry is a major issue, and hence all the equipment are specially designed with rupture discs and solenoid valves which are kept ready for the reactors undergoing exothermic and pressure reactions. Now let us take a look at the Q3 results first. The net sales in Q3 are 40 crores against 27 crores in Q3 of last year, which means the sales in net sales have increased by 49% year on year and about 10% quarter on quarter. The profit before tax is 4.35 crores against 0.64 crores in Q3 of last year. So, which means profit before tax has grown by 580%. Now, that's the reason I have selected this company, but we will see the plus and minus both. So, 580% profit before tax growth year on year and 53% growth quarter on quarter. Then net profit has grown to 3.48 crores from 0.99 crores. That is also 251%, 252% rather year on year and 53% quarter on quarter. So the sales improvement, net profit improvement, etc. are quite significant. Equity is static at 8 crores. Basic EPS 4.35 against 1.24 last year. That is 251% increase over the year on year, and quarter on quarter 54%. Now the other parameters, if we are to see, market price is 156 rupees against 52-week low of 57 rupees and 52-week high of 190 rupees. Low was 57. Current is 156 and high is 150. So it is somewhere nearer to the 52-week high. Price earning is 8.97, which is very moderate. Face value is 10 rupees and volume is 10,000. Volume is very low for some reason, 1059. Volume is very low. So generally I don't prefer a share which continues to have such low volumes, but we will have to watch it for a period of 1 month if volumes will improve. But 8 crores is the equity, therefore the volume should be slightly better. But right now the latest volumes is 1059. Now the year ago 138 only it was there, so the growth in price has been nothing during the last 1 year. Now if you look at the annual report for the last year, you see that the revenue was 112 crores 87 lakhs in FY 17-18 against 107 crores 87 lakhs in FY 16-17. Profit after tax is 1 crore 71 lakhs in FY 17-18 and 1 crore 35 lakhs in the previous year. Now 1 crore 71 lakhs was the profit after tax in the latest year, whereas the net profit is 3.48 crores in the latest quarter. So quite significant improvement has been there. Operations were reasonably good. Revenue has increased by 4.94%. Profit after tax has increased by 50.44%. Now the management discussion also is quite healthy. In March 2018, no, of course there is the BJP government has introduced a national health protection scheme up to 5 lakhs. It is one of the largest in the world. So that way the consumption of drugs will increase in the days to come. So company expects to profit by that. The Drug Controller General of India has announced plans to start a single window facility for providing consent, approvals and other information also. That also will be a Government of India initiative. Government is planning an electronic platform to regulate online pharmacies under a new policy to stop misuse. Government has unveiled a Pharma Vision 2020 aimed to make India a global leader in drug manufacture. So many things are there. Government has introduced mechanisms such as a drug price control order and National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, etc. Now, what are the challenges? The challenges are competition is increasing for both API suppliers and consumers. Generic API manufacturers are challenged with developing synthesis that don't infringe on patents while keeping costs low. Companies interested in supplying APIs to regulated markets are coping with increased regulatory related expenses. USA is clamping rather strict supervision on all of our Indian manufacturers. FDA approval is very difficult to come by. So such things are there. Some now, if you take other competitors like China, China is clamping down very heavily on account of environmental controls. China probably is doing it good, but why India is yet to start something like that is I don't understand. If somebody does it, it will be only Modi government. See, environment protection is a very essential thing. In fact, from the various YouTube videos, I found that the local press has highlighted a lot of environmental concerns coming from this very particular company, Everest Organics. The villagers surrounding the Everest Organics were protesting a lot about soil erosion, water pollution, etc. around Everest Organics. Especially because they wanted to double the production or something like that. And environmental protection regulators were asking for people's opinion. People were protesting. Now, I don't know what happened later on. Definitely all those videos were slightly older, not the latest. But so environmental concerns are were there at least even in respect of Everest Organics Limited. So what is the possibility of its expansion schemes? I don't know. But the latest Q3 results are very good. That much I can say. So that's where it stands. There are strengths, there are weaknesses, there are opportunities. Opportunities are many if you are able to expand yourself, but you must expand. I also agree with the local people that any expansion must not come at the cost of environment. Now, the protests in this Medak district, Telangana, are slightly different. They seem to be real concerns. The water has been polluted, air has been polluted. That's what the villagers say, and they produce some small proofs. The water table, when you look at the water that is coming from borewells, etc., it is polluted. Now, whether it is due to Everest Organics, etc., I don't know. But The government there should have taken into account all these things, conducted all the tests, etc. See, it is not correct to kill the industry also. It is not correct to avoid the environmental concerns also. Both are incorrect. Now, government should see that Everest Organics limits its pollutants to within the factory. Should not send it into the villages nearby. Now, if it does that, it will be a good government. It will be a consensus government balancing both the needs. Now, whether it has done so or not, I don't know. Telangana government, generally speaking, is a good government. There are good ministers with environmental concerns in their heart. Have they done it? I don't know. But there were protests against Everest Organics expansion schemes some time ago. But what is the current position? I don't know. But Q3 results are very good. That much I can say. I'll be back with you. But the other problem is very low volumes of transactions. 1000 is just nothing. I won't touch a company with such low volumes. That's where it stands. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with a good film. But performance-wise, it was good. 2-3 performance was good. Volumes, just nothing. Environmental concerns real. Telangana government should have addressed them. Let us see. Let us watch for another 3 months. Thank you.